So if anybody wants to buy us a drink, awesome. If you don't, that's fine. We'll buy our own. Did you see that? Ridiculous. Gaining a little more speed. Join us. We still got whole wheat bread and altered egos coming up, and also you guys can't forget about the amazing painting contest we're going to be having come up here. We'll be having a fashion show as well, kicking off later on. You guys stick around, grab yourself a drink if you're hungry, get some delicious food. Make sure you guys cruise by the Bella Soul, know the feeling, and our presenting sponsor, Dunkable, DVK USA. Go check out the gear that they're slinging up there on the back deck. Yeah, we got a lot of stuff going on here. Make that chasing all day. Make sure you check it out.
Everybody follow us in the chases. Let's all have a drink. And be merry.
Parents, if you have your kids sitting around out here with a skateboard and they're looking to ride on this ramp, it is a big insurance clause for them to be up here riding on this ramp. So for your safety,